Hi friends, this video shows how to recalibrate Qubo inflator. First let me turn on this device. For that we can press and hold this power button for 3 seconds. Press and hold power button. Now we can release. This way we can turn on. Then remove air hose that I already removed. Next I am going to trigger recalibration. For that we need to press and hold this minus and plus buttons together until we see the zeros on the display. So let me press and hold this minus and plus buttons together. Now we can see zeros on the display. At this moment we can release. So this way we can do recalibration. Let me do one more time. As I mentioned, press and hold minus and plus buttons together. Now we can release. Done. So this way we can do recalibration. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.